Here we come to the elevators at the General Services Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Kone hydraulic elevators, not EcoDisc traction. These are hydraulic elevators. These are hydraulic elevators. Wait till you hear this motor. Epic. It levels fast too. These are hydraulic elevators. I was expecting to be EcoSpace traction elevators, but these are hydraulic. They don't make hydraulic elevators anymore. Some of these buttons are replaced with KSS 570. I mean 500, I meant. I might take for one ride on this, if no one's waiting. I like this cab. Oh, never mind, the other elevator's coming. Anyways, I don't need to take another ride, but anyways, we already got a silent ride on the other elevator, but anyways, there it goes, and that's it.